All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ECIG. Well, you guys, it's been well over a month, just over a month rather. Let's not get too out of hand here, but yeah, it's been a while since we've looked at this one. No idea what happened. No idea. I was not expecting to see this one. I know that this is a stock that we've looked at multiple times back in the day. But it's been a while. It's definitely been a while. What happened here? I'm very interested to know what happened with this one. So the people that requested this over here on YouTube, if you want to fill us in, what happened with ECIG, I'd definitely like to know. Maybe Joe can pull that up. But like I said, over here on this day, you guys opened up at yesterday rather. You guys opened at 0735 and closed at 0280. What a big drop. One thing though, I do want to point out, I do want to point this out to you guys before we move too forward. Pay attention to what you see back here. Actually, this is going to be a great analogy for you, or actually to show you exactly what I'm talking about, because I was just going to say it back here, but this is going to show me right here. If we look at this big red candle, right? You see this red candle? You see the same thing down here that just happened yesterday. Okay, now take a look at what happened following up behind that. There's no levels between there. It wasn't little candles bringing you up. It was just one big candle right back. That is something you got to remember, because when this thing drops like a big candle like that in one day, there's a very good chance that you can see that rebound really quick. I think we just seen that also with TXHD, if I remember correctly. Just keep that in mind. I mean, right now, it looks to be leveling out right now. 4.81 million shares. We're going to watch this one for a bounce down here. I'm going to call this support around that 02 mark area. If we take a look at the 30-minute chart, let's go ahead and take a better idea here. Yeah, again, this is, you're going to have a little bit of resistance, it looks like, on your way back up right there, maybe around the 3 area. But again, that was such a big drop there so quick.
What day was it on?
That was yesterday, Joe.
Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm seeing it was a 13 scheduled 13D, and when you go down and read about it, let me just read it real quick. All right, so on March 7th, Comwaters, in its capacity as a senior secured creditor of Must Have Limited, a limited liability company incorporated in England and Wales, and wholly owned subsidiary of Electronic Cigarettes International Group Ltd, a Nevada corporation, filed a notice of appointment of an administrator by a holder of a qualifying charge in respect of MHL notice. Is filed and placed MHL under the administration process, the administration in the United Kingdom, by order of the High Court of Justice Chancery Division, Companies Court in England and Wales. Geoff Rowley and Anthony Collier, both partners at FRP Advisors LLP, were appointed as joint administrators with respect to MHL. MHL is subject of insolvency proceedings due to a winding up petition presented by HM Revenue and Customs on February 2nd, 2017, that is listed to be heard on March 20th, 2017. The insolvency proceedings arose from an unsatisfied tax obligation of MHL in the amount of approximately $3 million, which remains owed to HMRC. In light of this unsatisfied tax obligation and the company's inability to satisfy this tax obligation and other expected near-term obligations, Comwaters filed this notice. This winding up petition presented HMRC in respect of the unsatisfied tax obligation of MHL described above, and the administrator of MHL has caused the company to default under all of its outstanding secured debt obligations to Comwaters, including under the certain credit agreement dated April 27, 2015, between the company and Comwaters as amended. The cross defaults have resulted in the acceleration of outstanding debt owed by the company of Comwaters, which amounts have become immediately due and payable. Comwaters intends to take such action, including in administration as will maximize its recovery of the accelerated debt. So that was that. So I'm guessing Comwaters basically it was secured their money pretty much and just unloaded.
Mm. All right. Well, that's, I mean, yeah, we'll see what happens from here. So, like I said, again, with the chart, 02, watch for a bounce here off of support at 028, I'm sorry, 02. Resistance at 03, can't climb fast back up to the resistance at 6. Now, you guys have that big candle here. That was a one-day movement, this big candle. So, again, you can watch that return very quick. I see it. I see it often. I really do. Return really quick off of that. Like I said, it can happen. Again, ECIG, if you follow the stock, I definitely encourage you to subscribe and hit that like button. Stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list of tickers.